future of making money. That's right, we're diving into the top 10 business ideas that are set to explode in 2025. You know I love a good challenge, but even I have to admit, starting a business is tough. That's why I've been researching like crazy to find the best opportunities out there, the ones that could actually make you a millionaire, or at least pay your rent for a change. If you're looking to start a new venture, you won't want to miss this. First up, we're talking AI. Now, I know what you're thinking, Mr. Beast. AI is taking over the world, and you know what? You're not wrong. But that also means there's a ton of money to be made. Think about it. Everyone and their grandma needs content these days, right? Blog posts, social media captions, website copy. It never ends. That's where you come in. Imagine this. You start a service using these crazy, powerful AI tools to help businesses generate all that content for them. You could be pumping out blog posts faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush, crafting ad copy that would make Don Draper jealous, or writing product descriptions that would make even the most skeptical shopper click add to cart. Trust me, this is the future of content creation. And the best part is you don't even need to be a writing whiz to do it. Next up, let's talk about something near and dear to my heart, saving the planet. Okay, so maybe I'm not exactly known for my environmental activism, but hey, even I know that plastic is so last year. These days, everyone's looking for ways to be more eco-friendly, especially businesses. That's where you come in, my friend, with eco-friendly packaging solutions. Imagine this. You start a business that provides sustainable, biodegradable, or even edible packaging. Forget cardboard boxes and plastic peanuts. We're talking about packaging that can be composted in your backyard or even eaten. I'm talking seaweed-based bubble wrap, mushroom packaging. The possibilities are endless. You'll be the go-to for businesses looking to reduce their carbon footprint and attract environmentally conscious customers. All right, let's be real. The 9-to-5 grind is so over. The pandemic changed the game, and now everyone wants to work from home in their pajamas. But here's the thing, a lot of businesses are still struggling to figure out this whole remote work thing. They're drowning in Zoom calls, struggling with team communication, and their cybersecurity is weaker than a wet paper bag. That's where you swoop in like the superhero of remote work, with your cape billowing in the digital wind. You're a remote work consultant, the ultimate master of all things WFAH. You help businesses set up efficient systems, recommend the best tools and software, and teach them how to manage their teams remotely without losing their minds. You're the secret weapon that turns their chaotic remote work life into a well-oiled, productive machine. Let's talk about something fun, something exciting, something that arrives at your doorstep every month filled with goodies. That's right, we're talking subscription boxes. This business model is booming, and for good reason. People love the element of surprise, the convenience, and the feeling of getting a personalized experience. But here's the key, you've got to find your niche. Forget those generic boxes filled with random stuff. We're talking about a box so specific, so tailored to a particular passion, that people will be lining up to throw their money at you. Think fitness fanatics, coffee connoisseurs, bookworms, gamers, pet parents, the list goes on. All right, time to get serious for a second. The world is changing faster than ever, and people are hungry for knowledge. They're desperate to learn new skills and stay ahead of the curve. That's where you come in, my friend, with your very own online education platform. Forget stuffy classrooms and boring lectures. We're talking about engaging, interactive courses that people actually want to take. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What do you know that others would pay to learn? Maybe you're a coding wizard, a language guru, a business mastermind, or a design ninja. Whatever your skill set, there's an audience out there eager to soak up your knowledge. Let's face it, everyone wants that magic pill, that secret formula that will get them in the best shape of their lives. But here's the truth. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone's different. Everyone has unique needs and goals. And that's where you come in like a personalized fitness guru, armed with the power of technology. Imagine this, you create custom meal and workout plans tailored to each individual's body type, dietary needs, and fitness goals. But we're not just talking about a generic spreadsheet here. We're talking about integrating the latest technology like wearable fitness trackers, AI-powered analysis, and maybe even a little virtual reality workout action. All right, listen up, all you creative entrepreneurs out there. Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Do you dream of making money while you sleep? Then the world of digital products is calling your name. Think about it. No inventory, no shipping costs, just pure digital gold. And the best part, you can sell anything from templates and Notion dashboards to ebooks, online courses, stock photos, design assets. The possibilities are endless. Imagine creating a one-stop shop for all things digital, a marketplace where creators can connect with customers and sell their products directly. Let's be real, people are obsessed with their pets. They're like furry little members of the family, and people are willing to spend big bucks to keep them happy and healthy. That's where you come in, my friend, to capitalize on the booming pet industry. Forget boring old chew toys and squeaky toys. We're talking about the future of pet care. Imagine this. You develop a line of smart pet gadgets like GPS trackers, automatic feeders, or even a pet camera that lets you talk to your furry friend when you're away from home. Convenience is king, and in today's fast-paced world, people want everything delivered right to their doorstep. But here's the thing, the big delivery giants can be slow, unreliable, and let's face it, their customer service is about as pleasant as a root canal. That's where you come in, my friend, with your very own local delivery service. Think about it, what could be more convenient than having a friendly face deliver groceries, takeout, flowers, or even dry cleaning right to your door? You'll be the local hero. The go-to for busy families, elderly neighbors, and anyone who values speed and personalized service. The world has gone virtual, my friends, and that means events are changing too. Conferences, webinars, workshops, even weddings and birthday parties are moving online. But planning a virtual event is a whole different ballgame. It requires technical know-how, creative thinking, and a whole lot of patience. That's where you come in, my friend, as the ultimate virtual event planner. You're the one who makes sure that technology runs smoothly, the speakers are prepped and ready to go, and the attendees are engaged and entertained. You're the master of ceremonies, the tech support wizard, and the creative genius all rolled into one. There you have it, folks. The top 10 business ideas for 2025, from AI-powered content creation to virtual event planning. These are the industries that are set to explode in the next few years. So what are you waiting for? It's time to get out there and make your mark on the world. Remember, the future belongs to the bold, the creative, and the ones who aren't afraid to take a risk. Which one of these business ideas are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below.